Well, if you're looking for ways on how to transfer voice memos from iPhone to iPhone efficiently, focus on this beginner's guide with 5 clever methods discussed in detail. Way 1. How to transfer voice memos from iPhone to iPhone with one click. If you seek a simpler method to transfer iPhone voice memos, there's no need to search any further than iOS Transfer. How to copy voice memos from iPhone to iPhone with iOS Transfer. Step 1. Launch iOS Transfer on a computer. Step 2. Get into the voice memos category. Step 3. Transfer voice memos from iPhone to iPhone. Step 4. Verify the copied voice memos. Way 2. How to copy voice memos from iPhone to iPhone by AirDrop. Ensure AirDrop is enabled on both iPhones. Set to contacts only. In Voice Memos app on old iPhone, find Memos, tap 3 dots, select Share, then AirDrop. Choose New iPhone. Accept transfer prompt on new iPhone. Way 3. How to sync voice memos from iPhone to iPhone with iTunes. Connect old iPhone via USB. Click Device, Music. Check Include voice memos. Select Songs, click Apply. Find in Music, iTunes, Voice Memos. Use Windows Autoplay to transfer to new iPhone. Way 4. How to transfer voice memos from iPhone to iPhone without iTunes via iCloud. On old iPhone, go to Settings, tap your profile, select iCloud. Scroll to iCloud Drive, toggle it on. Ensure Voice Memos toggle is also on. Sign into iCloud on new iPhone with old credentials to transfer. Way 5. How to send voice memos from iPhone to iPhone over email. Open voice memos on old iPhone. Select desired memo. Tap Share, choose Mail. Attach memo file. Click Send to email yourself. Access email on new iPhone. Download attachment.